Hey there, welcome to a vibrant journey through one of the most enchanting places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. Today, I'm inviting you to dive into its heart, where nature whispers its secrets and the wild thrives in a symphony of life. Imagine this, a realm where the air is heavy with humidity and every leaf seems to breathe. Here, in the Amazon, the forest floor is a canvas painted with the colors of survival and wonder. Let's wander through this lush paradise, all brought to life with the magic of claymation. First stop, the breathtaking scene of a jaguar softly padding through the underbrush. Isn't it fascinating how these majestic creatures glide effortlessly, as if the forest itself parts for them? The jaguar's powerful muscles ripple beneath its spotted coat, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the Amazon. And just above, the trees are alive with the chatter of monkeys. Picture them swinging from vine to vine, their playful antics a joyful reminder of the forest's vibrant energy. The Amazon is their playground, and their calls echo the timeless rhythm of nature. Now, let's drift over to the riverbanks, where the waters teem with piranhas and caimans. These waters may be tranquil at first glance, but beneath the surface lies a world of intricate survival games. It's a delicate balance, a dance of predator and prey woven into the very fabric of the rainforest. In the canopy above, the air vibrates with the sound of vibrant macaws. These feathered jewels paint the sky with their colorful plumage, their calls a burst of music that rings through the forest. They remind us of the beauty and diversity that thrives in every corner of this vast ecosystem. Finally, as the sun begins to set, the Amazon transforms. Shadows stretch long, and the forest hums with the night symphony. The deep croak of frogs and the rustle of unseen creatures weave a lullaby that soothes the soul. It's a world where every sound tells a story, and every story connects us to the Earth's pulse. As I wrap up this claymation journey, I hope you felt the Amazon's heartbeat, its magic captured in every frame. This forest is more than just a place. It's a testament to the beauty and complexity of life on our planet. So let's cherish and protect it, ensuring future generations can marvel at its wonders. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep loving our beautiful planet.